Hey boys, welcome to 8-Bit Repair. My name's Chris. Today we've got this 3060 Ti that I've been working on for the past, few weeks. Today we're going to revisit it. We've got some new RAM chip from AliExpress. Hopefully swapping out that bad one will fix the issue and we can get rid of this code 43. Alright, let's get into it. Yoink. I think this should just pop off. Yep. And the GPU is open. Alright, and that should be all she wrote. Very good. Take our sticky. Did I use UV last time? I don't know, let's look. Yeah. Hey, bud. Alright, we need to tin that. Okay. That should be alright. I don't mess with it too much. Alright. This flux down. Just go ahead and dab it. Use the old finger. That'd be alright. I don't like the look of that cap. Pretty much don't have enough heat on the actual board. I'm just heating up that cap. So let's try putting more contact on the board. There. These are already balled with unleaded plastic wrap. It's cheap. Old chip. Nice. Alright, now actually brand new chip, or so they claim at AliExpress. I'm not going to reball this, I'm going to go straight on. It's not an APU. Heating plate. Excuse the dog hair. Set to 180. It's currently at 100. Oh, what's the orientation? Top left corner, looking at the screen, is pin 1. I got a dot right there. And double check that the balls blurry, but they look good. 165. Coffee break. This mug. I'm glad you asked. Go check out Geforce. Does some good stuff. Shameless plug. We are at temp. Let's give it a little. That's warm. Okay. Gentle. There. Adding more air. flux. Let's get a little bit more air. I didn't see it shift. Give it a little poke. That's on there. That's hot. Ow. I hope I didn't put this on backwards. I gotta go look at the old video. So it turns out I'm an idiot and forgot to hit record, but the RAM module was in the correct position. I just gave it a quick reflow and it looks like it's seated properly. We're getting ready to test. Catch you on the flip. PC booted. It booted in low res and it told me to do a reboot for hardware changes to take effect. So here we are. Haven't opened up Device Manager since. So let's take a look. I'm currently plugged into my Quadro. There it is. Device working properly. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna try switching the DisplayPort cable. I have picture, I can't believe. That's it. Yeah. So we're good. Screen share. Let's show that again. Boom. 3060. AliExpress came in clutch. $5 chip. Fix a, I don't know, 100-something plus dollar graphics card. Now I have good picture. And hopefully that'll help with my recordings, encodings, blah, blah. Yay. It's a neat little fix. I don't plan to get that lucky getting another broken graphics card. So hope you enjoyed it. I'm thrilled. The preheater is awesome again. Yeah, like, share, subscribe, all the good stuff. Until next time, toodles.